I wish to formalize as well on this upcoming pre-trial conference the possibility of us, the prosecutors, and even the defense to use Filipino language when the same is possible, because I understand that there are legal terminologies which are really hard to translate, no? This is because we understand that this is a constitutional process. This is not purely legal. What is at stake is the interest of the Filipino people. So it is our intention na lahat ng mangyayari during the impeachment trial should be understandable on the part of the ordinary Filipinos, no?
Paano po ito gagawin? Is it through the communities po ba? It will be held sa mga communities or sa mainstream media? Paano po ba yung magiging execution po nan?
I think that's an ongoing discussion that we're having with the comms team. Kasi what we intend to provide to the public is the widest information, easy to understand for the public, for our public, no. Kasi tama pa yung sinabi ni Chairperson Jinky na in the coming days, once the impeachment trial begins, the audience will be we will be hearing technical legal terms that are not necessarily quite understandable, easily to understand by the public. So those are the things that we also want to explore. Ang intention po talaga natin dito is mabigyang serbisyo ang ating mga kababayan na maintindihan nila ang pinag-uusapan sa impeachment trial dahil matagal na po ito pinag-uusapan at deserve po nila malaman ng katotohanan.